Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. In this channel, we teach Igbo language. In this channel, we communicate with Igbo language. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys 10 punctuation marks in Igbo language. So guys, let's go. Number 1, boom. Boom, boom. Number 2, recom, 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 recom. Number 3, boom, 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 boom. Number 4, boom, recom, boom, recom, boom, recom. Number 5, recom, elu, recom, elu, recom, elu, recom, elu. Number 6, akara uhe, akara uhe, akara uhe, akara uhe, akara uhe. Number 7, njụ ajụjụ, njụ ajụjụ, njụ ajụjụ, njụ ajụjụ. Number 8, akara mkpu, akara mkpu, akara mkpu, akara mkpu, akara mkpu. Number 9, akara ngwu, akara ngwu, akara ngwu, akara ngwu. Number 10, akara mkpuchi, akara mkpuchi, akara mkpuchi, akara mkpuchi. So guys, we are going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe over there. Yeah, subscribe and click on that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will always be the first to see it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.